Hello everyone, welcome to Meroservice. I am Khagendra from Meroservice. So today in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up in Zoho Book using web app. When you sign up in Zoho Book using web app, you will get a 1-year plan for free. Okay, that's a really fantastic. Okay, so first you need to go on this webapps.com website, and here you will see this types of look, and it's the award-winning financial software specially designed for hamro dear entrepreneurs. So here it's all the fantastic software, but it's only for Canadian and US based entrepreneur and businesses. So if you are other than these two countries, then you need to use Zoho Books. But they also offer, they also providing solution for us. Web apps collaborated with Zoho Books to provide a free plan for 1 year. So let me show you how you can sign up in Zoho Book using web app. Okay, first you need to click on this sign up for free button, and here you will see this types of look, and it's a sign up form, and you just need to enter your email address. Now I'm using company email address. I'm signing up for my company, and I here enter some strong password. Okay, so and click on this get start button. All right, it is loading right now, and here you need to enter your first name, last name, everything. No thanks. Okay, all right, when you enter all this information and click on this other option and click on this next button. Okay, and it's saying web is built for US and Canadian business. That means this web is only made for US and Canadian business. But Zoho is our trusted partner in your country. That means my country is Nepal, so I can use Zoho Books. Also, Zoho Books offers the 12-month free plan. Okay, that's a collaboration with web apps. Okay, you just need to click on this get started with Zoho Books. Your first year with Zoho Books is free when you sign up through web. Okay, that's the secret way. Okay, click on this get started with Zoho Books button, and here you will see some sign up form also. This form is for Zoho Books, so enter all the information here and select your country here and click on this I agree to the terms of service and privacy policy checkbox and click on create account button. All right, everything is done, and now it's time to set up your business organization. Okay, enter all the information according to your business, your organization. So now I'm going to enter all this information according to my business. When you fill all this information, you just need to click on this save and continue button. Here it's asking for some information related to taxes. So if you have if your business need to pay the taxes, then you need to enter your tax name, whatever tax, like some income tax and some other taxes. So whatever tax you pay, so you need to enter your tax name and the rate. Okay, but now I don't want to enter. I will fill this information later. Now I'm going to click on this get started button. All right, fantastic. Your account is set up fantastically, and here is some look. And if you are confused how to use all the things, if you don't know how to use this accounting software, then you can watch these videos. There is a lot of tutorials are available. Here's some notice you will see. Please verify your email address. So I might receive the email, so I'm going to check it. Okay, here is the 2 emails are arrived in my email, so I'm going to see which one is for verification and which one is for just welcome. Okay, it's verification. I need to confirm account, so click on this confirm account button. You might also receive the email, so check your email and verify your email. Okay, and your account is verified, and access your account now. All right, your account is set up fantastically, and so here you will see you are currently using 1 year free plan. Wow, that's the real fantastic. Okay, so that's how you can access Zoho Books for free for 1 year, not only for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months.